Okay, so I was on my way to Fort Worth to do a private trip. Noticed my van was smelling like clutch or something like that. I don't have a clutch. So I'm driving. As soon as I was about to pull over, I was driven about a mile or two with the smell. As soon as I was about to pull over, I started seeing this truck, and this is what happened.
This one.
I don't know. Get out, man. You may need to get out of here.
Huh?
I don't know how to do the fire. Oh shit. Do the fire. Oh shit.
First, sorry for the quick curse word I let out. Tire exploded. Didn't know what that was. You can just see right now there's another explosion. I kept on hearing things explode. Wasn't waiting around to find out what was blowing up. I know now that it was tires. At the time, I didn't. So I did what I did and backed up, got out of the way, gave it some room. Eventually, you're going to see me go around the truck. And then I see him pull forward. So I get back in, pull my van forward. I see him pull forward again, get back in, pull it forward again. Then I go back and try to film a little bit. But the glare was too bad. But it caught fire. He kept on trying to put it out. He's in the middle of the street trying to stop people. And the reason why I pulled over in the first place once I realized it wasn't my van was to try to see if I could help the driver, if there was anything I can do, take him somewhere, take him away from the explosion. But this is the rest of what happened. He wanted to try to put it out.
I'm hoping the guy gets away from his truck. I tried to tell him to get in my van, but he didn't. Okay, he's coming back this way again still.